This PETG filament bundle offers a large supply of 1.75mm material that balances strength and ease of printing for everyday projects and functional parts. In use, it behaves like a tougher version of standard PLA, resisting impacts and bending without cracking, which makes it well suited for mechanical components and frequently handled prints. The material prints cleanly with very little odor and is described as non-toxic and environmentally considerate, so it is comfortable to run for long jobs in a home or office workshop. Spools are wound neatly to avoid tangles and jams, and the generous inner diameter helps the filament feed smoothly through extruders, reducing mid-print failures. Dimensional consistency is tight enough that most 1.75mm printers handle it without fuss, and it integrates nicely with multi-spool systems such as advanced automatic material stations. The reusable spool approach cuts down on plastic waste over time and lets you swap in refill coils easily, which is convenient if you print often and care about storage and sustainability.